Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the car ready. Park safely or hold steady with foot on the brake, engine idling, and transmission in drive or park as required. Once done, locate the cruise control module, a stalk or button on the wheel, and turn the system to on, not SET yet. You do this so the vehicle's computer is primed to accept a speed command. Make sure your speed is at least the minimum threshold, because the system won't engage below that limit. You accelerate smoothly to your desired cruising speed, then press SET or push the cruise stalk down to lock that speed. This is the decisive action. Once engaged, use RES or plus to raise speed in small steps, and SET or to reduce it. These incremental changes let the system recalibrate gradually. Also, if your vehicle has adaptive cruise, adjust the follow distance control so the car keeps a safe gap. You want both speed control and spacing to match traffic flow and safety. You finish the process by resuming manual control. Tap the brake, press the clutch, or hit cancel to immediately deactivate cruise. Switch OFF if you're done. To return to your prior set speed, use RES when it's safe. This tells the system to recall stored speed. If cruise won't engage or stops unexpectedly, check for error lights or sensor obstructions, verify the cruise fuse and switch function, and make sure tire size or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.